So just after posting my video, she decided to pop and start moving and grinding higher. So I figured I do a part two of this U.S. Open, and I just kind of see what's going on down here. Is it a bull trap? I don't know. So far, price action is moving higher. And I thought it was probably going to go to the downside. No, statistically, is a positive day, or a positive trading day, statistically. So maybe that's all in favor for it. So let's look at some. Looking at the 4 hours, since the mobile was positive, it was a snapback to the upside, and that kind of played out. So let's just go backwards. We found support, which I told you in the first video, line in the sand at 234, 233. PPS buy signal, we took out that 239. So that's very bullish. And we now are above the 200 moving average on the 1 hour. So far is all looking good. Extreme target to the upside. Well, today, the final target will be 245. Once you get there, I don't know if you were long from here or from here, depending on how many contracts you got, you will probably start taking some off here. But if you think this is the, we're going to grind higher, then, hold on. But this will probably be for the shorter time frame traders, the scalpers in and out. This would be your target, 245. So now let's work our way higher in the time frame. So your midpoint for the week, it is 245. So if we could kiss that and not retrace, but, hold and push higher, that's even better because you are above the midpoint of the week. And it looks like maybe that's where it wants to go. So you're kind of in between these two targets. Well, it's pretty much 245. The 245 is right here, 244, 245. Here, your midpoint is 245. So this is your main target right here for the week. And if you could get above that, then your next target would be 249 all the way to the 75%, which is 253. And in regards to the monthly level, you already kissed it, which is 242. We went as high as today as 244. And the Stokes are still expanding. So this is reverse. Since the daily is negative, this could probably be a snapback down. And that's why I would just be cautious here. Because Tom D. Mark 9th candle is coming tomorrow. And if this is your snapback, it could possibly play out. So it's kind of tricky. But so far, looking good. It's like sellers are coming in now. So yeah, just be careful in regards to the price action. And looking at the square 9, we went as high as 244 right here. If we can hold 241, it's around 242 now, but if you can hold 241, it might find support 239. That was the overnight high. And if that doesn't hold, chances are this was all probably a bull trap to get some, guys or traders long, and then push it, early before the Tom D. Mark 9th, or maybe until next week. Get all these all these stops, depending on who's here. That's gonna the weekends, get all the weekends out, as they call it. So yeah, just be careful. But if we don't take out 241 and we don't take out 237 or 239, and we kind of like here and like here, just going back and forth like this, then maybe the turn is in. We'll see. And then we'll go on the hunt to 249, which is the 90 degree. And then it could be somewhere between 241, 249, all the way to, maybe 253, 255, 257. Then it will be like this. The range will be this way. So far it's grinding high, and just be careful for the bull trap. Because if the timing is not right, and this is not it where the turning point is, this could probably be another, trap, a final trap between this week and next week, and then maybe a possible reversal. So just wanted to put that out there. I'm going to sign out. And so someone mentioned about crude oil. I know crude oil is kind of toppy. The high was 84, and it's kind of weird because natural gas goes down and crude goes up, and then when crude hits a top and it goes down, natural gas then tends to turn and go higher. It's a weird pattern that I've noticed. If you could look at it, it's not like I'm making it up. You could just look at both of the crude and nat gas, and they kind of go in the opposite directions. So when they're going up, nat gas goes down. And when nat gas goes up, crude goes down. So it's kind of weird. I don't know if it's always like that, or when it happens, and sometimes they all go together, and sometimes they just, decouple and go their own way. So it's interesting to see. I'm going to sign out. Hopefully you like this video, and keep you posted on my thoughts on Natgas.